Fire Matters is designed to manage your fire safety obligation online by creating a structured process to ensure that each of your properties is compliant with the legislated requirements. You can check on the go and be updated on all your devices, as the Fire Matters software is online and cloud-based, therefore you will never lose any data or information. Fire Matters software is configurable and flexible to adapt to your premises from one building to multi-sites. The unique compliance meter will give you an up-to-date view of the compliance level of your premises. For you, owner-occupier, the first building is free, but you can add up to a full managed service. We provide flexibility and choice according to your needs. Fire Matters is your solution for your fire safety compliance peace of mind. Our consultants will audit your premises and set up your Fire Matters online software for your buildings or multi-site. You will have the choice to take over management or choose for your consultant to manage your fire safety. The flexibility is yours.